Hey, it's Scott with First Response Roofing and Construction out of Port Huron. I just wanted to give you guys an update that we do more than just roofing. I know it says right in our name, First Response Roofing. Don't forget the part where it says and construction. That being said, we just had our Pella representative in with our ABC Supply representative to go over some new product lines that are available to our homeowners that we service in the area. They really like to come in about once a month and go over any new updates, new products, new colors, obviously, just so we can provide you with the most up-to-date product list. And if you're interested in getting any windows, siding, gutters, roofing, obviously, we're here for you all winter long. Be keeping our crews busy and pushing forward through the snow and the cold weather as well. So watch this video real quick that I put together for you, and we'll see you soon, hopefully. Take care and have a great day.
Color of one of the fossil or the almond.
The white almond.
That'll be true through and through.
Yeah.
Any of these will be on the exterior only with white on the inside.
So the solid are extruded.
Correct.
The dual are exterior painted,
Correct.
extruded white.
Yes.
You understand the difference? So these here are an actual fossil or almond vinyl. It's a true color through and through.
So in other words, it's
This
the whole way through.
these
It's not
are
a coat on
coating.
it. Right.
Yep.
Okay. So you can either have a white, an almond, or a fossil, but it's the whole way through both sides. If you want any exterior color, it's white interior.
Got it.
Do you guys sell a lot of painted exterior?
No.
I have over the years.